part B 啦，咁我哋揾翻 variance of 3減 4x 啊，咁我哋會知道啦，就係 variance of 3減 4x 咧，其實就即係呢一個嘅16個 variance of x， 咁亦都即係咧16個呢一個嘅 expected value of x square 咯，然後咧就減翻 expected value of x 嘅 square 啦。咁所以咧就會有16再乘以呢一個嘅0.1乘翻 k 嘅二次，即係負2嘅二次。再加翻0.2再乘翻0嘅二次，再加翻0.3乘以4嘅二次，再加0.4乘翻6嘅二次咧，就再減翻頭先嘅3.4嘅 square 啦。咁你會計到就係16乘翻裡面嘅嗰個數，咁你撳一撳啦。咁啊0.1乘4，再加0.3乘以4嘅 square， 再加0.4乘以6嘅 square， 減3.4 square， 咁你得到裡面呢個數應該就係8.04嚟嘅。咁所以將成個數乘翻16咧，你最後答案應該就係128.64啦。咁呢個就係 part B 嘅做法。